You will most commonly encounter the PLA extension as an ArchiCAD Archive project or a Sansa playlist file. This format acts as either a self-contained BIM, Building Information Modeling package for architects, or a specialized audio instruction list for legacy MP3 players. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's see if we are opening a complete architectural model or organizing a music library on a vintage device. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the PLA format fails. More on this later. In the world of high-end architecture, the PLA format is an archive version of a Graphisoft ArchiCAD project. Unlike a standard project file, PLN, which links to external libraries, a PLA file embeds every object, texture, and library part directly into the file to ensure nothing is missing when shared. In the realm of portable audio, it serves as the native playlist format for the SanDisk Sansa line of MP3 players, like the Clip or Fuse, which require these specific binary files to group songs together without duplicating the actual MP3 data. ArchiCAD PLA files utilize a package and embed protocol, essentially acting as a digital suitcase that bundles the primary design data with every GDL geometric description language object used in the scene. Sansa PLA files follow a specialized MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. Playlist schema. Interestingly, these files often appear as 0KB in Windows Explorer because they don't contain raw text like an M3U, but instead function as a virtual folder that points the player's firmware to specific byte locations on the internal storage. The proper file association links PLA directly to the Playlist Manager solution by SprintBit software. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows provides playback but lacks the full toolbox needed for precise audio adjustments. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your PLA file and choose Open With. Test with Playlist Manager first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If your PLA file will not open, do not worry. We know the PLA format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, identifying the data source. Distinguish these by the environment. If the file is in a project folder for a building design and is over 50 MB, it is an ArchiCAD archive. If it is located in a playlists folder on a SanDisk device and shows as 0KB, it is an audio list. You can verify an ArchiCAD file by its size and header. It will always be a large binary file. A Sansa file is strictly for navigation and will only work if the MP3s it refers to are still on the device in the exact same folder path. Next, Openability and Transfer. To open a 3D archive, you must use Graphisoft ArchiCAD. When you open it, the software will ask if you want to read elements directly from archive or extract elements to a library. For playlists, you do not open them directly on your PC. They are created automatically when you sync music via Windows Media Player in MTP mode or by using specialized scripts like Export PLAs for MediaMonkey. Note that 3D printing enthusiasts often search for PLA files looking for models, but they are actually looking for .stl or obj files to print with PLA plastic. There is no 3D printable file with a PLA extension. Finally, fixing missing objects and empty lists. If an ArchiCAD model shows black dots instead of windows or furniture, the PLA file was likely saved without checking the Include All Library Parts option. You will need the original PLN and its libraries to fix it. For Sansa users, if a playlist appears empty on your player, it is usually because the file was created in MSC mode instead of MTP mode. Converting the file to a standard M3U format, or resyncing the player in MTP mode via Windows Media Player will usually restore the track list. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your PLA file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the PLA label is unclear or shared. I strongly recommend the FileMagick Universal Viewer. It's the most effective one-click fix for your PLA file. Get it at filemagick.com. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.